Hey, what is up, y'all? It's your boy G-Man here, and he'll always be here. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight. Hey, yo, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. You read this title correctly, Trailer Park Pizza. If you guys don't remember, almost 2 years ago when I did the hamburger pie video to honor Angry Grandpa, I've decided to honor him again by making his Trailer Park Pizza. That hamburger pie video, 15,000 hits. Thank you to all. And all of you are brand new to the channel, thanks for joining. Make sure you go subscribe to all of my other channels. The links are down in the description. Also, CMP fans, Halloween's coming up. The Halloween shirts are back. But this time, since I'm tired of taking them out every year, from now on when I bring back the holiday shirts, they'll now be available on my store all year long. But let's get into the video. First, you start by get half of the bacon in the package and start by cutting up into bite-sized styles. I'm doing it like how Kid Be Out of Camera or Angry Grandpa do. Now start by cooking up the bacon. Cook it whatever you like, but I like it cooked soft. I don't like it too crunchy. Now that your bacon is all cooked up the way you like, place it on a paper plate with a paper towel so the grease will come off. Now start by adding your biscuits. You can use any kind you like. I use Texas style. And make sure you get it all equal size to make sure it fits perfect. Now start by adding your tomato sauce. Cover the biscuits with it and spread it around till everything is covered. Now start by adding a package of mozzarella and spread it around till all the sauce covers up. Also, I forgot to tell you guys to make sure you add pepperoni by a 2x7 pattern, and then you put bacon, spread it around. Then now you spread a little bit more mozzarella cheese, but I don't like it too much. Last but not least, place this in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 11 to 13 minutes. And here it is. Take this thumbnail for a picture, then I'll taste. Well, I gotta say, guys, this is really good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, make sure you smash this like button. And thanks again for getting the hamburger pie recipe video up to the top #1 view of this channel. And make sure, if you want to do this the same way, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And yeah, it's been a while since I've done cooking videos. Stay tuned for more of those. I love you all. And until next time on CMP, and G-ManHere will always be here. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight.